Let us take a deep breath in and exhale. Let us take another deep breath in and exhale. And now let us chant Om. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Now, let us inhale love and let it expand it in every cell of our being. Let us inhale gratitude and let it expand in each and every cell of our being. Let us inhale happiness and let us expand it in each and every cell of our being. And now, let us take a walk in the inner garden of our mind. Wow, let's see the beauty of nature. Let us see the beauty of God. Wow, God has made each and every creation so perfect, so beautiful. Let us see the magical trees in the garden. the green plants. Let us open all our senses and see the beauty of the flowers, the aroma which is coming from them, the freshness in the air. Each and every petal so beautiful and so different from each other. Just like flowers, human beings are also blooming every day by a unique quality, by the gift we have inside us. We all are blooming every single day. And now, let us walk towards the swing. And as we sit down on the swing, let us see the beauty of the inner garden, the nature, the magical lake, so peaceful, the waterfall, so beautiful. Wow. There is true beauty in the nature. Every God's creation, it is so beautiful. Today, as we sit on the swing and swing, let us today be grateful Let us think, what do we want to be grateful for today? Let us be grateful for everything related to nature today. Thank you so much, dear God, for the sun, for showing it up every day to us, for the moon, for the stars, for the fresh air we breathe. For the plants, so many types of plants we have, for the grass, for the garden. The garden's beauty is only because of the grass. Thank you so much, God, for creating the grass, the plants, the trees, the waterfalls, the mountains, the lakes, rivers, and ocean. They are such beautiful creations of God that when we go for a holiday, we are either in the mountains or near the ocean or the river or the lake. We love nature. The valleys, the mountains, the trees, the open parks, nature, waterfalls, the lakes where we go boating. There are so many things to be grateful for. Thank you so much, God, for the rides we take in the water, for the swimming pools, for the swimming we do in the swimming pools, for the beaches. When we go to the beaches, we play so much in the water and the sand. Wow, there is so many abundance in nature. Every day we go to the parks for a walk. And there are so many kinds of parks in the world. Thank you so much, God, for each and every park, each and every tree, plants, flowers, for the Mother Earth who gives us plants, who gives us fruits to eat, and the vegetables. So many different types of vegetables are grown. fruits are grown. Thank you so much, God, for the gardeners, for the farmers who plants these, and for all those people, wholesalers, retailers who get them to our local area, and from there the Swiggy or the delivery person or us who go and buy them. And finally it comes to our plate and we relish the vegetables or the fruits. Wow, it is so amazing. Since childhood we are relishing each and every fruit and vegetable and other things also along with it. We go to our favorite restaurant to eat the favorite food. God has made so many things for us to eat. So many kinds of snacks. Pizza, pasta, ice cream, cold drinks, cookies, cakes, different kinds of wheat flour, millet flour, so many things. Thank you so much, God, for each and everything. For the night and for the day. To give us our body rest, you have created the night and the moon and the sun, so that we can get up according to the moon and the sun and rest our body also. Thank you so much, God, for giving us 24 hours in a day so that we can complete all our work and we can rest in the night. Thank you so much, God, for giving us so many types of exercise mediums like yoga, walking, exercise, gymming, so many different types of abundance you have given us to move our bodies. Thank you so much, God, for the planet Earth, for the Mother Earth, for the sky, and for the amount of water the Mother Earth has, which is truly, truly abundance, for the rain, so that we all can live a happy life, for all creatures of earth, for the rains to come time to time, for the wind, for the air, for the fresh air we breathe. Thank you so much, God, for giving us so much of abundance, so much of blessings. And now let us realize, let us think, what is the one thing we wish to leave in this magical lake today? Is it the stuck-up emotions of the past? Is it the fear of judgment? The fear what will people say if we have? Let us release all of that. Let us release whatever we think that what people will say, what people will think about us and all that. Let us release all that, because when we start to think of all that, we stop our growth. So let us release all of that. And let us go to the magical lake. And now let us take a dip in the water and release all these stuck up emotions, all the beliefs that what will people say and do and all of that. Let us just release all of these thoughts of what people will say and what people will do, and all the stuck up emotions of fear, of embarrassment is releasing from your crown chakra and other chakras and the mind, and it is coming out like a black water. It is completely and completely released. And now we are totally free from all these self-defeating thoughts. And now all these thoughts have been released completely from all the chakras and the mind. And now as we come up, we walk towards the magical waterfall. And as we stand under the waterfall, all these thoughts have been further released, cleared up by this magical waterfall coming from up. All these self-defeating thoughts, fear, doubt, everything has been released. That what will people think of me and how will I do this, and all those stuck emotions and fear of embarrassment, and all of that has been released right now from the chakras and all the chakras and the mind. And now you are completely free from all those thoughts. And now imagine divine energies are entering through the waterfall like white air, and it is entering the head, the crown chakra, and it is healing, repairing your hair cells, your brain cells, your eyes, your nose, your mouth, your ears, neck, lungs, throat, the heart, the intestine, small intestine, large intestine, the excretory organs, knees, thighs, hips, back, shoulders, your legs, hands. Each and every cell has been repaired, rejuvenated by this prana, by this divine energies from God. Everything has been healed. And you are healed and repaired and rejuvenated. And now, let us bless everybody else, all the family members, planet Earth, and everyone. Let us say to them, thank you so much, God, for blessing them with divine energies of love, of happiness, of peace, of joy. And as you bless each and everyone, imagine as you open your eyes, everyone is surrounding you and saying, thank you, thank you, thank you. And you are saying, thank you and I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you and I love you. And you're distributing 500 rupee notes to them because now you're full of abundance. You're an ocean full of abundance. And imagine so much of abundance is there in your home, and your family is laughing, dancing, enjoying the abundance, eating, traveling, playing. Wow. It's truly, we are truly blessed. As we keep on working, abundance keeps flowing into our hearts, into our mind, into our being. And now, let us declare to the universe, wow, I truly madly in love, am super duper in love with myself. I truly love myself. I'm super duper confident. I trust myself. Yes, I am worthy. I'm the richest person in the world. I am the money magnet. Money floods to me from all directions. I am full of love. I am full of kindness. I am full of respect. I am full of happiness. I am full of joy. I am full of abundance. Wow. As I love and respect myself, I love and respect each and every relationship of mine. I have the most amazing relationships. I have the most amazing healthy body. Wow, thank you so much, God, for so much amazing body I have. Wow. Thank you so much, God, for so much of blessing, so much of abundance, so much of good health, love, abundance, joy, happiness. Thank you so much, dearest God. And imagine we are having and enjoying having a lovely time at home. And this is what we call heaven on earth, where everyone is enjoying, laughing, respecting, loving, and doing the things together also, and then their work also. So they are truly, truly, everyone is enjoying having a great time at work and at home. And let us rub our hands now and tap in these energies to the entire body. And may God bless everyone. Have a blessed day. Thank you so much for joining.